Hey guys, all the products you see in this video can be found in the description down below. Guys, today we have the Everie Sous Vide container, and I'll tell you my favorite thing about it in just a second, but first some things you need to know. First of all, guys, what it comes with is a lid, the container itself, this container sleeve, as well as this really nice sous vide basket. Guys, this is compatible with all of the Anova sous vides, the Breville Jewel, and the Instant Pot sous vide cooker. All right, let's start off with some things I really like about this, guys. First of all, this sleeve is super convenient. It helps insulate this and keeps it warm. Not only that, if you have like a quartz surface or something that you can't get too hot, this will keep that countertop from getting hot and keep that surface cold, which is super awesome. You don't have to put this up on a bunch of supports because that will just keep it right off the surface. Super awesome, super convenient. If you've been doing sous vide for a while, you know that evaporation is one of the worst things that can happen, and you have to keep dumping warm water in there to keep it going. This lid solves that problem super easily, has enough room for your sous vide cooker to go in right here, and just keeps everything super convenient, guys. As far as the container itself, it's 11 liters or 12 quarts, and it is super nice, super big enough to do a lot of food at the same time. When I bought this, I didn't even know it came with the sous vide rack, and guys, this has to be one of my favorite things about this. How it works when you do your sous vide, you just put the bags in each of these slots, and then this goes into the container, and it just keeps everything super organized and super nice, super neat, super convenient, keeps it from floating around, and it's just awesome that it comes with this. If you don't already have a sous vide, this Anova precision cooker is an amazing piece of equipment. It has an amazing app as well. You can also control it manually with this dial, and as you can see, this goes right in the reservoir and heats up the water. Guys, my favorite thing about this is just all the equipment that it comes with for the price that you get it at. It's just incredible. If you haven't ever tried sous vide before, it is one of the best ways to cook anything, and this just makes it so convenient to do so. You're not using your pots and pans and trying to, makeshift a deep reservoir. This has it all covered for you, along with that sleeve to keep it warm, as well as the lid to prevent evaporation. And then you got that really nice sous vide rack that just goes right in here while you're cooking, and it just keeps everything organized and keeps things from floating around and floating up. Guys, this product has made sous vide for me a lot simpler, a lot easier, and that's my favorite thing. This is the convenience about this thing and just how easy it makes sous vide cooking, and it's just really convenient. Super nice, guys. I highly recommend this product. Thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please subscribe. I appreciate it a ton. Have a good day, guys.